Hello, Conrad here from Lumpology.com, and welcome back to Making a Game Live. I'm just going to be testing my stream chat out for a bit and seeing if everything works. I have it open on my phone so that we can properly do this. Anyways, yes, this is Making a Game Live. So sorry about the wait. My old computer is a bit offline. I'm running off an older laptop that is not fully loaded, so yeah. Anyways, so I'll just get stream running. Wait just a second. Okay. I'm just going to be testing the mouse movement out so it is recorded. It seems to be going okay. Yeah. I hope this sound is in sync. I'll also check to see if I enabled stream chat very quickly before we start everything. This could lag the stream a bit. So, 1 second. Yeah, I'm overloading the encode. Oh, this could lag a bit. Lag. Hope I don't crash. That'd be horrible. 1 second. I will fix this and then I will be done with the dashboard. For those of you watching this in the future, this is just me. I'm doing this live, so this is Making a Game Live, and if you can suggest things in the stream chat, it is indeed enabled. Okay, so yeah, stream chat is indeed up, so comment away there. I'm just going to hop over to the YouTube app on my phone, and I'll start the stream. Lumpology. Lumpology Studio. Search Lumpology Studio Live. Tap that. Stream chat on. Okay, we are ready to go. I will organize a few things, and we are a go. This is, as I said before, Making a Game Live on a live stream, so without further ado, let us begin. I have a few things planned for today, right off of the bat. So, just doing a short review of everything that we've successfully done so far, and yeah, I'll run the game. All of these buttons here all should do things. So we have a light, we have glass, we have a box full of gold that generates gold, killer box that destroys any and everything. As you can see, there's the gold. A can push these killer boxes onto the gold and it destroys it, but yeah. Boxes. But yeah. So got one person watching, that's good. Probably qualifies as me. Okay, that's all good. So, killer box. We also have an egg that turns into a fried egg upon hitting the ground. You can also, if you ever need, you can keep hitting an egg in a box, and the egg will not get destroyed. Also, if any object goes off of the base plate, it will eventually get deleted. So there we go. I'm going to throw killer box in there. And yeah, so we also have an AI of a certain kind. It's just kind of an AI that randomly does things. And it's removed by the killer box. So I'll spawn in an AI there. We also have a red cube, a blue cube, a green cube, and a yellow cube, all with collision. And we also have a lighter and a bomb that blows things up. Because why not? Oh, I think stream is lagging. Oh no. I will attempt to fix this. This new computer is different from what I'm used to. I will attempt to fix it. Too much running via the graphics display, so I will handle the lag issue. Hello to people watching in stream chat. Watching the stream now. We are making a game live. I may have to stop the stream for a second to tackle this lag issue. My old computer is offline, and so I'm having to run off of a laptop to work. Comment in stream chat if the stream should be back up. Sorry about that. I'm not getting any issues right now, though I can't even imagine how long that's going to last. You may see less quality. I have been changing the settings. Okay, Daniel says it's 1 frame per 5 seconds. Oh yeah, stream is back up and it appears to be lagless, so this is good. This is very good. I don't think there's a delay. I'll be real. Yeah, there's a small delay. Okay, okay. Yeah, stream is up. Stream is up. How's it looking to everyone watching in stream right now? Please comment and tell me how it looks. I'm gonna throw this on. See if that affects much. If I add a few things. It appears to be running okay. Okay, I think we can start the stream then. We may have to hop back to the channel. I'm gonna see how it looks. Yeah, okay. Just typing into something into stream chat. Be fixed. There we go. Should be fixed. Now, it looks okay from my phone's perspective. So this should be okay. I'm not getting any encoding warnings, so hope for the best. This box of gold is really filling up. Oh, stream ended. What? Why did stream end? Oh, it doesn't appear to be offline. That's odd. If there's anyone watching in stream right now, please tell me if it is still online. It appears to still be online, so I'm gonna guess that it is. Sorry about any complications we're having with the stream. Please comment in stream chat and tell me if everything's fixed. Oops, let's move it over here. There's a small delay, so yeah. Oh. Look at all of that gold. Yeah, I think it's fixed. I will start now. So, welcome to Making a Game Live. I am Coender Heidi here from Lumpology.com, and welcome back. Today we are, going to be. I have a few ideas for this game that we are building here in the Blender game engine, and I shall start now. To anyone watching in stream, oh, I might as well say we're celebrating 169 subscribers. That's awesome. So, yeah, let us begin. Okay, so I had an idea, and I thought that would be a cool-ish idea. Put my tools panel there. I'm going to add a UV sphere, and because of the way things are going to be working, I'm going to have to be decreasing the segments and everything to save geometry space. I think I'll bring it down to 8. There. There we go. So this is the object. Shading smooth. I might be able to add a subdivision surface to it. We want to reduce lag as much as possible, so we'll just stick with this. Like everything, in collision with dead. I'm going to say, like, almost everything. Okay, better. Good. Thank you, Daniel, for commenting that in stream. I just lowered the resolution a bit, so I hope that fixes it. So, collision, property dead. Nothing's typing in. Oh, I keep using that keyboard. That is not going to work. I have 2 keyboards right now, the one that was in my old computer and the one that's in the laptop I'm using. And because I ran out of USB ports, I had to unplug my old keyboard. So, yeah. It's odd. Don't ask. Don't ask. Okay, so edit object and end object. The killer box removes whatever this is. So I'm gonna name this Earth, and it is going to have a material. Earth. And yep, that's one thing it'll have. It will also be a rigid body. Collision bounds will be set to spherical collision bounds. That should be all I have to worry about. Okay, so this is the fun part. So I'm going to go to the textures panel, new, and it's going to be Earth texture. And I'm just going to open something from my backup drive. These are all the files from my old computer, the box that just kind of kicked the bucket. So, no need to taunt me in chat. Really. Okay. I think I'm going to have to go to the old computer, like this. Tiny bit of lag there. I'm working off of USB backup drive after all, so what do you expect? Nope, that's not it. Docs. I'm trying to figure out where I keep everything. This right here. Okay. So, oh, that's the wrong keyboard. I'm gonna open up a side panel. This is going to be a UV image editor. I'm going to just quickly do some seam work for this thing. I'm just going to delete that top vertex there. And I'm going to, oops. Delete the bottom vertex. I'm going to hit Alt and select an edge. Game files. Game files and then a bunch of grounds. Yes, game files. That is the game files for you. Mark seam. Earth map. Unwrap. Sphere projection. Align to object. Scale to bounds. Selection. There we go. Can you see yourself from here? Come on. There we go. We hit E to extrude, and then S0. Move it up slightly. There we go. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the bottom. There. E to extrude, S0. Move it down slightly. Tis amazing. I'm finding it better to stream on a Saturday, no? Like, is it a Saturday? Yes, it is a Saturday. So, yeah, I think it works better because people are not at school or anything and can actually watch the streams. So, yeah. Tis a globe. Oops, that worked. That totally worked. Yeah, that worked. Don't question it. How did that delete this Earth object? It deleted the Earth object. What? What is this meant to delete? Edit object. Okay, I don't know what that is, but I'm gonna assume there was a collision glitch. I see you. You see me. That's creepy. That's really creepy. Oh, I get it. I get it. It took me that long to get it. Okay, so more logic must be. Oh, collision with property dead. I see. Forgetting my own code. Always Python. Now earlier, I hooked up a script. Now this script is kind of secretive for me, so I will not reveal the script because it is a core function in an old game I made, so I will not reveal it. on the less bright side of things, that prevents me from doing a few things. So, yeah. This, smash. Boolean checked. Gravity. Except I'm freaking busy every day. My mom never stops calling me. Oh, okay, yeah, that'll also do it. So maybe not even this day. It's not even a very good day for it. Indeed. Boolean gravity. Well, I can give anyone an excuse to watch this stream. Just like say that you are learning how to make games. Yeah. That'll do it. I'm hoping what I'm doing right now is going to work. I'm not fully sure. And I'm probably going to cause a lot of lag from all these properties, but properties usually don't take up much data, so it should be fine. I'd be surprised if it wasn't fine. So much work. It will pay off in the long run. This box, this is a collision bound, so it will, yeah, I thought so. Our point light. This is gonna really suck because they're so hard to remove, aka i.e. delete from the game. I won't do it to explosion, however the glass shards need it. Cortana, how do you make a game? Okay. She'd kill me if I said that excuse. Okay, I understand where you're coming from then. What is this? What is this? I don't know, what is it? AI. I forget which one's which. These Earth globes are also going to have gravity attached to them for reasons I will later describe. I think that was everything. Okay, now I have to figure out how to make a button. Oh well, I may as well just go like this. Ah, come on, stop deleting everything. Okay. Nothing? Seriously? Nothing? At all? Okay, I'll try this. Yes, now it works. See? Okay, that didn't really work, but hey, now it works. Sort of. That was awesome. That was awesome. Maybe I should make it a, because it's Earth. Like, come on, it's Earth. It should be a static object. That is hilarious. I'm not gonna lie, that is really funny. The Earth is falling. Now, yeah, so I have this Earth's gravity set to the exact same gravity as the default bullet physics engine, which is 9.8. So, yeah, that's about as cool as that gets. I'm going to give us a, whoa, bit of lag there. The graphics doesn't seem to be, I'm running Intel integrated, so don't judge. It's very tricky to do anything, I don't know what most of these values do, so I'm basically guessing. Zenith color. Because it's a zenith color, I believe you do. I'm gonna set it as some kind of like gray. Or in game engine they just don't like that, so I'm not gonna. Physics, yes, physics. You can also say, I am learning physics. That was the worst excuse in the world as far as I'm concerned. Okay. There should be a button. I will put my button. I really need to get icons on these. Like, seriously need icons. Anyone who is willing to make icons for all of these objects, totally comment down below or in the stream chat if you're watching this live. Totally. 2 people watching. That's nice. Apparently, person number 2 isn't gonna comment, or that person is just me. In which case, hey me. Anyways, yeah. What am I doing? What was I doing? I was making a button by AI. Oh, I hate working with these. Shift. No, it's Shift D. Did I do it? No, I didn't do it. Shift D. Like that. Make icons. Yes, icons as in like images that display how does one put it? I don't really know. Images that are like this this button here has an icon on it with a cube. Yeah, what kind? You know, just kind of like all the objects, like one needs to be an egg, one needs to be the earth, one needs to be a pane of glass, one needs to be a pane in the glass, you know, i.e. stuff like that. Explosion, lol. Oh, Exploshi, lol. I see, Exploshi is back. Welcome to stream, Exploshi. There's your shout out. Buy, I will buy. I shall purchase. Oh, someone's holding a gun up to their head in emojis language. Buy, Earth. Oh, 18 minutes through the stream already. I forget how much I enjoy these streams. Okay, I need to, if I remember this correctly, remove the logic from here. Shift, select this. No, that wasn't it. That was not it. That was not even remotely it. It's this. Shift, select this. Yeah. That was it. That was it. Now. And edit. This edit object adds Earth. Now I have to find wherever. Oh, wow, that's easy. And these both should wire into there. Let's see if I still. That's the wrong keyboard. Okay. Save. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. Okay, that I know what this needs. I now know what this needs. This always also needs an and an edit. No, wrong one. And a motion. I've forgotten what direction the Earth rotates, so I'm just going to guess. It's something along that line. Someone can tell me. I don't understand that form of description. In, yeah, there we go. I think this is correct. I'm just gonna double check Google Earth to make sure. So you turn on this time value thing here. Nope, wrong, that's not it. Turn on this thing. And yep, I was right. That's the direction the Earth moves. I was correct. East to west. East to west, yes. Indeed, I got it correct. Now that is a misshapen Earth, but whatever. I can always add a subdivision surface to it, and it'll look cooler. Actually, I may as well do that now. We have Earth selected, so subdivision surface. Now I'll run the game. Leaves it kind of egg-shaped, but I'm not getting any lag. Yeah, sure, I'll apply that. No, it's a subdivided Earth surface. Bingo. I said that beautifully. Beautifully. A block. Block. What does that mean, a block? We got blocks, blocks, blocks. Lots of them. Lots of blocks. And if we add an Earth, they will all get sucked towards it. It only takes two to levitate them. And I think you all know what I'm guessing now. What's Earth without? And now we are going to steal. Pause for effect. I think I get the mess. I think I got the message. It's going real time to scale. Yes, it is totally going real time to scale. There we go. Why do I still have this application open? There. Shift S. Didn't work. Shift. Which one was it? Shift S. It was Shift S. Yes, I was correct. Cursor to selected. Shift A. Add a UV sphere. And I'm just gonna scale it down to there. This, and then I'm gonna Shift F. Whoop. It's going to be called the moon. Moon. There we go. The moon. Okay, and now, oh, I forgot to mention, if you have any ideas for this said game, don't forget to comment them in stream chat so that they may be added into this brilliant game. There, that'll take 10 seconds to reach the screen. So, moon. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, wrong keyboard. Moon. Wrong keyboard. The moon. And then this one will also be the moon. I spelled that differently, but okay. Passport drive. Docs pixel backup. Now it should be one of these. Aha, moon map 4K. The moon. Yes. Okay. Now just like last time, gotta select the top one and the bottom one, and they gotta go. Then I Alt select an edge, mark seam, select everything. U. Sphere projection. Moon map. There we go. Bingo, bingo, bingo. And now that we have done that, I'll just close this. This. It would be really creepy if our moon had a hole in the top and bottom of it and was hollow inside. That would be really creepy. Okay, that looks a little tiny bit odd. I'll admit. I will admit that to the camera or whatever recording device I am using. But whatever. I can probably fix that actually. The sun that goes supernova and destroys the Earth. I can do that. I can do that. I'll singular it out so that it only destroys the Earth and nothing else, just for like laughs. Okay, copy. Object bricks to selected. Copy. Game property. Yeah, sure, I'll give it the same gravity as the Earth, why not? Except the Moon, we're going to make it a rigid body. Rigid body, Moon. Okay, there we go. Now, we're going to make a button for it, of course. Shift D, duplicate this here, S, and we're just going to scale it down because it is an Earth variation. It's going to be by Moon. These all have the button 001 text on them. Interesting. Okay, no, by Moon. By Moon, by Moon. Hey Lump, Shane, Lazy Shane Productions. Hello, welcome to the stream. This is Making a Game Live, episode 3. Don't forget to leave ideas for this game in the comments below so that they can be implemented into this game. Anyways, we continue making a moon. We are making a moon right now. This is the spawner. I'm using Blender Game Engine so that it will speed up the process and make making this game very easy. I know there are those die-hard Unity supporters out there, but I'm not one of them, so yeah. The moon. I'm making it, yes. Okay, there we go. Now I have to find out where the moon is. Okay, right down. Perhaps not the most efficient system ever, but hey, whatever. I don't really care. Something looks off. I don't see it. Oh yes, that is why. Shift, select this moon. Of course they'd end up on the complete opposite direction of things. So now the moon is down there and the goal is up there. So I'm going to select this tiny little thing, put it there, and this tiny little thing and put it in the same one. I think I'm your 170th subscriber. Could it be 170 subscribers on stream? Could it indeed be? Let us check. If it is, that would be very, very cool. I mean, I don't see anything. Probably because it hasn't registered, but if indeed you did just subscribe, then yes. Oh, yes, indeed, 170 subscribers on stream. I guess, yay, 170 subscribers, that's awesome. One step closer to the end of year goal of 1,000. I'm probably not going to reach that goal, but hey, it's worth trying. Anyways, we move on. Indeed. So it is half an hour since the stream started. That's probably not very interesting to anyone, but yeah, cool. What fun fact, it's been half an hour. Come on. Over here. Oh, wrong keyboard! Wrong keyboard. I keep using the wrong keyboard. I have two keyboards in front of me, for those of you who don't know. We're just tuning in per se now. Earth, Moon. And I can suspend that. Oh, wait a minute, the button changed size. Yeah, that button changed size, indeed. And that is suspending a moon in mid-air. let's three-way there. 4, I think it works from any distance away, if I'm not mistaken. So if I add blocks in, we get an orbit going. Just because, why not? Oops. And this shouldn't have a big impact on the engine in any way. Like, I've been able to throw a lot at this, yeah, I think all this collision shouldn't be a problem. Let's throw some nukes in there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. But no, that's awesome. What type of game are you trying to make at the moment? What would you call this? I don't really know. What kind of game is this? It's not really, oh, I just changed the direction of things. I'm gonna go remove this with a killer box. Nope, killer box. There we go. What kind of game is this? This is kind of like an all-purpose game. The reason I actually started this series in the first place because I was watching people play Totally Accurate Battle Simulator on YouTube. How's the original poll? What is that? What? I'm gonna drop. So if I drop an egg on it, it bounces off. What is that? It's like a random plane, just kind of. What if I drop a killer box on it? It resisted the killer box. What is this? Well, that's kind of interesting. Everything bounces, runs over there, and then falls right off the world. What is that? I don't remember putting a plane there. There's just a random plane there. I'll probably put that there for a reason. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to get rid of it. Yeah. Random plane. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, random plane. Well, if you have any ideas for this game, please continue. We have a lot of time before the end of the stream, so please comment things down below. Tell me what should be in the game. I will drop, but in the meantime, I shall stare at this box of gold. Slowly generating gold bars. Very, very slowly. Yeah, okay, I got bored. Okay, let's do something like that. Ooh, I know, I'm gonna do the killer box, remove that. Killer boxes do not rotate, they only move on the axis that they were created. So, I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna drop a nuke, and boom! I didn't know you could make games in Blender. No, it seems nobody knows you can make games in Blender. Like, I don't get that at all, but yeah, you can, there's this engines tab, there's like cycles render, Blender render, most people know Blender internal. That's why they leave Blender for some reason, because they don't know cycles render exists. And then this is an add-on engine game kit for Android development, and then there's Blender game, and I use that because it's a lot better than add an Easter egg. Okay, sounds good. I will add an Easter egg. Okay. Huh. Okay. An Easter egg. I like. Come on, I need something rainbow-like. A rainbow-like Easter egg. Come on, where are ya? Where are ya? Where are ya? Always Shutterstock images. When is there ever not Shutterstock images? I'll just grab an egg, like something that looks remotely like an Easter egg. None of these really do. This game will be under the GPL license. It'll be 100% free to the general public. I shall probably release a version of it on episode. Maybe tomorrow I'll release a version of it that is free to play on PC. That'd be enjoyable. Yep. Yeah. Nope. Easter texture. I see, that's what I'm talking about. We'll just save it to Powerbox. There we go. Now that is an Easter egg texture. Okay. I'm going to select our egg item here. Smash. Dead. This should be good. Shift D. Duplicate. An egg. Data mark 2. Just for easier. Also try to add something to link to Valentine's, like a heart. Sure, it's Valentine's coming up. I completely forgot about that. Mind blown. I need a GIF for mind blown to show up on stream when I have my mind blown. But yes, I totally understand what you mean. Egg, data tag 2. Egg, data tag 2. Open. Passport drive. Powerbox. Easter egg texture. Automatically packed according to how I have everything set up. That's good, that's good. Trying stuff that links to the event like Christmas and birthdays, etc. Wow, that texture looks cool. I know, right? Okay. Sound. You'll hear a small delay. Sorry if I'm not responding in time. I know the stream is like really behind and everything. So, project from view bounds. That should do the trick. Makes it look like someone actually painted it. It needs to be brighter. Yes, brighter. I'm gonna set its texture to multiply. That way I have more control. And I'll just... There we go. That's better. Easter egg. It's an Easter egg. This is only in this kind of game would you make a joke like that. If you don't actually want to add an actual, like, i.e. Easter egg. What am I doing? Button. Which one's the egg button? This is not an egg. That is an egg button. Okay, Shift D. This is my only solving for that scaling problem there. Easter egg. By egg. Egg. Data tag 2. Yeah, sure. Birthdays and stuff. Remove. Select. And edit object. Add object. Egg data tag 2. Shift select this. Okay, where is it? There we go. By... Oh, you're kidding. It's on the complete other side of the... Okay, Now that is dragging for you. Perfect example. Prime example. Raining eggs, yes. Oh, raining eggs. I see. Power save. This. Easter eggs for the win! Oh, I cannot get over this. This was brilliant. I need to, like, Technicolor these. Egg. Easter egg. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Box of gold. There, that'll lag us like crazy. Okay. What's... That didn't work. Glitchy. This... Did you see that? Did you see that? I'm going to create a massive gravity. Wow! I am lagging this engine. Well, our frames per second seems to be holding up okay. This is to be noting. Actually, this is good because I'm on a less powerful computer, so I know the game actually will run okay. Okay, perfect. Now, we need ideas. Thinking ideas. Bright ideas. Wonderful ideas. That is what we need. I had a to-do list, making a game live. There was this, like, to-do list, but I'm not sure if any of them are necessary. Be right back, lol. Oh, we lost Daniel. That's sad. Okay, be right back. Oh well. Swear in chat, please, no. Yes. So yeah, to-do list, sound, a glass cup that breaks, and icons. That is the boring to-do list. Now we need something to do. Okay, thinking. One must think in a situation like this. What will I think of? Idea, I need an idea. What idea will I come up with? In this tab, what does this game badly need? What does our time look like? Oh, a few minutes to go. Our time looks like we should add... I need an idea. Nope. Nope. Don't come. Nope. What I need is a good idea. Nope, this is useless. And then there was one. An empty stream chat. Well, that'll make this long drawn out period easier. What does a game like this need? It needs a blob. A blob. That is what it needs. A blob. Only a game like this would you ever see something quite as ambitious as a blob. This sphere is a blob. It is got a material. It is called blob. Unlock. Blob. And this is going to be a slightly bluish green. Like there. There is a blob. It is going to then be a soft body. No. Rigid to soft body. And I believe that is actually what it does. Yep, that is indeed it. Let's take a look at that closer up. It's very bouncy. Linear stiffness. less linear stiffness. Splat, 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 splat. Perfect. That was wonderful. Copy. Game property. Copy. Logic bricks to selected. Raining multicolored balls. Raining multicolored balls. What if there was an object that could rain multicolored balls? It just kind of like generated a bunch of multicolored. Oh, I didn't add a button. A bunch of multicolored balls. Yeah, something like that. We also need something more in the utilities section. Like, if you don't remember, we have like this. Boom. Okay. We need something in the utilities section, and we need I need a button for a blob. What is in this? That is an AI. No matter, it looks similar. Actually, what are all the buttons that we have? A light, this, a killer box, this. Oh my god, I hate that light. Yeah. Yeah, this will work, the AI box. This is too entertaining. I know, right? This game is way too entertaining for its own good. Okay. The implementation is kind of boring, but the execution. Blob. Also, I'm not a very good commentator, so yeah, that brings this game down a bit. But yeah, and edit object, add blob, shift select our blob. Oh, that's egg 2.0. Okay. Like this. This is probably the last one of these we'll be able to do. Add blob. How many more buttons or objects are you going to be adding? That is a good question. I need to add some kind of management system that makes it easier to manage all of these buttons, like a scroll wheel, something like that. That'll probably be next episode's goal, is to manage everything. It'll be a boring episode, but it'll probably be worth it. Egg 2.0, a blob, splat, squish, squish, squish. Of course, it has a mind of its own, so it is going to be glitching through walls and things. Does it have an AI attached to it? I suppose I should have checked that. Nope, no AI attached to it. Does it still... Yes, it still squishes with convex hull. But we don't need that. What we really need is just like icons for the buttons. Anything, some different colors, an object form. I'm gonna have to stop putting that off. Splat, 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 splat. It looks like a deflated soccer ball. That was odd. It's literally not. It's collisioning on nothing. Splat. It's a box. Yeah. What was that? Okay, that is cool, but whoa. It's a bouncy ball. Oh my goodness. Boing, smash, smash. That's perfect. Boing, smash. And I'm right, it can be removed via the killer It cannot be removed via the killer box. Oh, that is bad. The killer box is just bouncing right off of it. Obstacle create. Yeah, I think collision is going to have to be required in this particular case. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. This is bad. This is really bad. It's not dying. I mean, that's probably not something you hear every day, but... Oh no, it's not dying. Oh no, what am I gonna do? I'll try this other form. Splat. Yeah, that's problematic. Emoji. Okay. Emoji, huh? Emoji. I don't think I can do emoji. See, most emojis are under copyright or copyright stuff, and I'm not. I can't be bound under copyright laws. So I'm going to have to refuse that emoji one. I may add some form of excrement. And, yeah. Anyways, to work on the next object, raining multicolor balls, hearts, Christmas birthday stuff, eggs. This is too entertaining. Buttons, okay. Raining eggs. Okay, this is interesting. Yeah, okay. Let's think. Okay. What should I prioritize? I should prioritize getting I'll get the Valentine object. Or pouring water. Oh, pouring water. Now there's a interesting request once again. Pouring water. Okay. That is also interesting. So many options. I think I will add something. A birthday object. Let's say you ever need to give someone a birthday present. Caps lock. Birthday box. A gift, that is what people call it. A gift. Gift. Texture. Always have that. I have to add that text. Aha! Yes, this is what I'm looking for. What does one want to receive on their so-called birthday? Shutterstock. Something like that? No. I don't know, I'm probably not allowed to use any of these textures. Makes it difficult. Or a present, like you said. A cake. A cake. Oh, that would be funny. A cake. I'm gonna add a cake. I am going to add a wonderfully delicious cake. Nope, delete that. We need to use a circle. Our circle will be based on Legion. Oops, I have to delete that again. I'm going to add a cake. Yes. Circle, Legion, vertices. 3. We need 3 vertices. Okay. Take the 2 side vertices, scale them inward like that. Select everything and extrude it up. No. Cakes do not take a while to model. Especially if you're improvising. Like I indeed am. Texture. Ooh, now this I can use. This I can use very easily. Huh. Yes, Yum is right. Well, we've got a delicious looking normal map here. I could use that, but that kind of ruins the point of everything else. We need this. This is what we need. It's a Shutterstock with that snap. It's a Shutterstock. Shutterstock really destroys things. 3D models. Yeah, there we go. That's cake. But I will just use. Yeah, we need a slice because cakes have slices. So I'll use that. Use that and this to get. That looks like a raisin cake. Yum. Yummeries. Save image as. Save image as. Save. Cake. It'll be worth it. The texturing is tough, but it'll always be worth it. So, just to make my life a little easier, I am going to edit, open up in Movie Maker, or not. This ain't Movie Maker. This is whatchamacallit. And I'm just gonna open up like this, paste from Passport Drive, Powerbox, grab our little texture, and I'll just put it here. Bingo. A little face on the cake, a little happy face like a normal cake. You think normal cakes have happy faces on them? Okay, that's not where I'm coming from. Here, I'll make the cake and we can decide after whether it needs a happy face. Okay. cake. If this works out, we'll also put a candle on it, because we can. Open. Passport. Power box. This. Texture. Tab. Go to unwrap mode, and we will go from the bottom, from the top. The top. We'll just go with simple unwrap. Cake. Cause cake. Come on, it's cake. Okay, I'm gonna go 7. Project from view bounds. I'm going to go using my notepad. This project from view bounds, like ho, and like ho, and like ho, and like ho. Just gotta avoid clipping the edges of most things because it looks weird if you do that. I've made cakes a few times in the past, not in per se this engine, but I've modeled a few of them in my day. Oh, I need to go to face select mode. That should do the trick. Just go into unwrap shadeless mode for now. It looks a little weird, but that's fine. Okay, now select this side, shift select this side, you unwrap, you reset, cake mode, scaler down, move it over. I can't believe I'm making cake. Where does the world come to? That I would end up making cake in a game. Because cake is cake, and cake is delicious. Oh yeah. How is that? Unwrap. And we'll just throw that. Scale it down just a smidge. Move it right there. Scale it up a bit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Isn't that what they say? Oh yeah. Save that. And we have a cake. Tell me if it needs a candle, because I can by all means add a candle to it. That looks so yummy. Give me some. I can also add a normal map to it to make it look like more three-dimensional, but I think in a game like this that's so very unrealistic that this is perfect. Wow, that actually does look kind of good. Cake. XT, I gotta go. Okay, see ya. It doesn't, let's see. Yeah, it's an hour anyway, so I'm gonna have to end the stream here. Not directly here, but yeah. See ya. It was wonderful having you on the stream. And good luck in life. Because why not? Why would I not say that? Yes. I'm with BK about... I'll be back in about half an hour if the stream is still up. I seriously doubt it will be still up, but yes, see you in half an hour. If that is the case, I may decide to stream again today. Anyways, see ya. I am glad you could stop by. Thank you for taking the time to join us today on this wondrous stream, making a game live on camera. Not, well, sort of on camera, not really on camera. It's kind of less on camera than you'd expect, but Oh, our cake is like big cake. Cake. It's like actual cake. There we go. File save. I'm going to go add a button. Which do I add it to? I will add it up here later. Shift D, because cake. I'll put a center section by cake. And controller, added object. And then there was one. By the way, anybody who's watching, please like the stream. It kind of helps our visibility in this Earth. So if you could like the stream, that would help us out like a lot. FYI, just putting that out there. If you could give us a like and show your support for this awesome series. Making a game live in an engine that nobody cares about. And oh snap. It's this one. There we go. Save. Let's run the game. Cake! Ah, delicious goodness, cake. Oh my god, it's so realistic. Look at that. Cake. Cake. Can it be removed by the killer box? No, I don't think so. I have to add some stuff to it. I'm going to take a screenshot of that. Snipping tool. That will be our image. Cake. Exclamation mark. There we go. To anyone who tunes in later, this was making a game live in the Blender game engine that nobody cares about because it's the Blender game engine. Let's just test every single possible thing that we've ever added into the game. Boom! Color everywhere. I'm gonna add some bombs over here. Lights, some of this, some of these, more of these. Killer boxes for the win. Variations, more variations, variations for the win. Earth for the win, and... Whoa. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. I am Contra Height, and I will see you all later. Goodbye!